You know something funny? The more you explain yourself to people, the more confused they become. And sometimes, the more available you are for explanation, the less seriously people take you. Have you noticed this? Hi, I'm Lipika Sood. I'm an interior designer, a motivational speaker, an artist, and a poet, and I love sharing beautiful things with you. You say, no, actually, what I meant was, then another explanation, then another clarification, then another paragraph on WhatsApp. Then suddenly you're giving a TED talk to people who already decided not to understand you. And honestly, some people are not asking questions because they want clarity. They are asking questions because they enjoy watching you become uncomfortable. The world is full of people who will misunderstand you, judge you, criticize you, pull you down, and create stories about you. Now, imagine if you spent your entire life trying to explain yourself to every single person. You would have no time left to actually become successful. That is why one of the most powerful things I have learned in life: silence and actions are the greatest answers. Not arguments, not over explaining, not emotional reactions, just calmness and consistent action. I'll tell you something from my own life. When I started pushing Indian art, tribal art, and my own paintings into the luxury interiors and large projects, many people did not even understand what I was trying to do. Some people thought, this is too niche. Some, this won't scale. Luxury clients only want imported aesthetics. Traditional art is outdated. Initially I felt like explaining myself. I wanted to say, no, you don't understand my vision. No, Indian craftsmanship has global value. And then I realized something. If I keep explaining, I will spend all my energy defending the dream instead of building it. So I stopped explaining. I simply worked quietly, consistently, passionately. And today, the same concepts are appreciated in some of the finest projects across India and internationally. You see, people may not understand your vision today, but success has a language everybody understands. And that is why silence is so powerful. Because when you stop reacting emotionally, you stop giving people control over your energy. So today, I want to give you 3 practical tips on how to stop explaining yourself. Tip number 1: stop needing everybody's validation. Now, this is a big one. The moment you desperately need approval, you start over explaining. Not everybody has to agree with your choices. Not everybody has to understand your journey. Your life is not a group project. Tip number 2: let your work speak louder than your words. Anybody can talk. Anybody can post motivational quotes. Anybody can announce big dreams. But consistent action, that is rare. Instead of saying, I'm going to prove them wrong, just quietly improve yourself. That silence scares people far more than arguments ever will. And tip number 3: protect your peace. Every argument steals energy. Every unnecessary explanation drains confidence. Sometimes the strongest response is a smile, silence, and moving forward. Because not every misunderstanding deserves a correction. Some people will only understand you years later, and some never will. And that is perfectly okay. At the end of the day, you are not here to manage everybody's opinion. You are here to build your life. So the next time somebody doubts you, judges you, questions your choices, don't panic. Don't overreact. Don't write a 14-line explanation. Just breathe, stay calm, Keep working and let your success make the noise. And yes, if this resonated with you, share it with somebody who will benefit from it today. Remember, silence is not weakness. Sometimes, silence is confidence that no longer needs permission. Till next time, I love you. I believe in you. Keep smiling.